Hi friends, I'm Selda Rose and welcome to our new YouTube channel, Fredz Lady Rose. I hope that you all are doing good and staying safe at your home in this outbreak of COVID-19. Stay home and stay healthy. Today I'm taking this initiative to start a new YouTube channel to share some of my creative works with you. In this channel, I will be uploading videos related to fashion designing, art and craft, sewing techniques, and some DIY projects. I'm sure that this channel would be a real infotainer for all new fashion seekers and creative enthusiasts. I was thinking for a long time about starting a channel, and now the right time has arrived. I chose this day for launching this channel. The reason is that today is the day of independence in our country, India, as well as this is a feast day of Assumption of Mother Holy Mary. When we were thinking about fixing a name for this channel, we didn't have much confusion because my husband's name is Freddie Francis and my mother-in-law, me myself, and our daughter. We all three are named after Saint Rose. So we were having a very good idea, a clear idea about the channel name. So we selected the name Lady Rose. That is how the name was derived. So in this channel, soon we will be uploading our daughter's first birthday video. Due to the spread of COVID-19, we couldn't celebrate our daughter's birthday with our friends and family. Only we three were there. In this birthday video, you all can see that. So my husband was the photographer, and in our apartment, we did some creative works and some wall decors. So you all can watch that in her birthday video. So I hope that you all will watch our next video. That will be our daughter's birthday video, her birthday story. So please do subscribe our channel and like and share our videos. Thank you.